You gotta say hi. You have to do my intro.
Hey guys! Welcome YouTube world! Thanks for all the love and support.
You're so rude.
Thank you for all the love and support that you've given me all these years. It's given me the confidence to be the woman that I am today. Thank you.
Hi you guys, welcome to another video from me, and I have a guest in the background. If you would,
World renowned.
you're not world renowned. If he would just fix his face and smile a little bit. But this is my husband, and today we're gonna do a video where he's gonna attempt to do a style in my hair. Stop doing. I'm gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna leave the video just like that. Anyway, today he's gonna attempt to do a style in my hair.
I'm gonna do it.
Alright. So I've decided that I want a mohawk. Do you think you can do a mohawk? Are you up for the challenge, or do you want to do something else?
You know how the mohawk sounds.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do you know
about right?
Do you know how to do a mohawk?
I have no idea.
Alright.
That's the goal here.
Alright. So
first time for everything.
I'm gonna attempt to do my hair in a mohawk style. So I'm not gonna tell him too much of how to do it. I'm just gonna give him hints that you will need some rubber bands, which is what I have here. Rubber bands. And some hairpins. If you need, I don't know if you might, I don't know what you're doing. They're in here. Alright, so do you want to get started? What do you want me to do? Sit, stand, just stand like this?
Stand right, just like that.
Okay.
Let me talk to you here.
Alright. Why do you need to talk to it?
Let them know that I'm not here to hurt you.
Okay.
And I'm only here to help. Okay?
Alright.
You can see how it looks something like that.
Oh, okay.
I'm about to hook this up, boy. All your subscribers gonna be asking for me.
Of course they will.
So it's gonna look something like that. Watch. I'm about to hook this
Alright.
up. Watch this. Alright, watch.
So you sure you know what you do? Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Do you know what a mohawk looks like?
I have a good idea.
Okay.
Like that.
I gotta turn my head so they can see.
That. Watch this. Don't steal my style, man. This is exclusive. Don't try to, figure out what I'm doing.
But they can see what you're doing on the camera.
No, but they can't see the mechanical part. They can't see all that extra stuff that I'm doing.
Alright.
Ooh, I feel it, man.
I don't.
I feel it.
Alright.
Yes.
But how you gonna... Alright, nothing.
Gonna give it that.
Alright.
Look, we getting there. Look at it. This is about to be like 2 minutes tops. Watch this.
Uh-oh, it's starting to come together somewhat.
I'm the man.
Yes, you are.
I didn't think I could do this.
I really didn't think.
Can't wait to see those comments.
I still don't think you can do it, but okay. But you know the mohawk goes down the entire, so it's not only at the top, babe. It goes... Alright, I'm sorry. Keep going. I'm sorry. Alright. I'm sorry. But why you putting it all up there? Like, what about the back here? You gotta... Okay, shush. I'm not telling you. Sorry. I'm gonna go to the camera.
Tell me this ain't fun. Look at it. I got the little hair sticking on the side. Yeah, I didn't think. Look at that. It only took like 10 seconds.
Okay. So what are you doing in the back? Let me turn to the back so they can see what you're doing. So you...
Yeah, look at that. It ain't supposed to look neat, so don't worry about all this right here. It's supposed to give you this rugged look.
So it's a rugged mohawk.
You know what I'm saying? Mohawks are like a rebellious style, so you gotta make sure it looks like you don't care.
Okay. What else? That's it?
Tell me that ain't.
What about here?
That you gotta stick out. That's part of my style. Tell me I don't like this. Don't start blowing up my phone or my email asking me to come do this style.
They don't know your phone number or your email.
Well, I mean, they're gonna find it. They're gonna do face recognition on your video,
and
then look me up on Google or something.
But they're not going to.
I think so.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at it.
You want me to model it for you?
Yeah, you gotta wear this to work, man. I'm telling you, all week.
All right, so ready? That's it. Let's talk about this. Good. So explain to the viewers how you did this now. So
Well, you know, I went in there thinking like, you know, I gotta make this look exceptional, look much different than what people are used to. Look at it. I mean, it's exquisite. It has a little hair sticking out. Oh, my bad. Oh, okay. So the hair sticking out right there. You know, and I said, you know what? I have to give it like a fluff, like look like a hen. You know,
like a hen.
Yeah.
Like a hen, like a chicken hen.
Yeah, just
oh,
put the
okay.
little, like a rock star kind of thing.
Rock
you know?
star.
And
All
give
right.
it this wild look. You know, people look, it looks wild, but it looks organized.
All right.
I call it collective chaos. This is what I call this.
Collective chaos.
Yeah, it's
All right.
chaos, but it's in there.
Well,
It's contained chaos. That's what
Yeah. All right,
tell
well.
me you're not feeling that. Leave the comments down below and say how much you like this. Share this with your friends, and then I might be in a beauty supply store, no, a beauty shop near you.
well, nothing else for me to say. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section. I'll make sure he watches. I'll make sure he reads them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. The links will be down below. Your links will not be down below.
Yeah, it's
But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are enjoying your journey. Bye. Want to say bye too? All right.